people, wonder shall never end though. I too say I don't see finish. I don't know, I never see finish. Oh, no be small thing, oh my people. Make una come see spiritualist. This man so where for the fly afternoon koro. This one not be say go come. This one happen live. No be small thing, oh. As this our brother come the interview mo. Now so this a spiritualist they fly oh. No be small thing. You can't fly go my people. No be small thing. I no understand. Me no come be say I too talk. Make una just watch this video. Things they happen.
Do it. I want to fly today.
You want to fly today? Yeah. That's why you have your wings?
Yes, please.
Hey, but how I'm here talking to you, how will you fly?
I will fly. You will not see me. You don't have a spiritual eye. How can you see me fly?
So you want to fly today?
I want to fly today. I'm going to the north.
You are going to the north. So you want to fly to the north?
Yeah.
You want to fly to the north?
Fly to the north, yeah.
Okay, fly.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gone.
Yeah. Nana Tongo.
Yes, sir.
You are here.
I'm back.
But you are here.
I'm back. You didn't see me. You don't have spiritual. How can you see me?
You didn't fly.
I fly.
You didn't fly. Nana Tongo fly.
Advice from here.
Nana Tongo fly. Nana Tongo.
Yes, sir.
Why are you responding? You've flown and you are still here.
But you are hearing me. You don't have spiritual eyes. How can you see me living for the north?
I can't see you fly away because I don't have spiritual eyes.
No.
So as we speak, are you back here or you are still flying? You are gone. You are flying.
I've gone and come back.
You are gone.
Yeah.
So where have you got to now?
I went to North and I'm back.
You went to North and you're back.
Yeah.
But usually flying, the wing keeps flapping. But you just do this and you hang it in the air and you say you've flown.
I've left. I'm happy today. That's why.
So you fly with a fowl?
Yeah. I have to go and greet Tongo.
You have to go and greet Tongo.
Yeah.
That's why you came with the wings.
Yeah.
I was thinking that when you fly, I won't be able to see you. When you fly, you'll be in the sky. Maybe I'll see you up in the sky.
You can't see.
But you tell me you just do open your wings. You don't even flap your wings. Nana, you are not flying properly.
I can go right now and come back.
You can go right now and come back.
Yes.
Go.
Come.
Are you gone or you are back?
I'm back. I said I can go seconds and come.
And come back.
I'm more than the fastest plane.
So what bird are you?
Pardon?
What bird are you?
Bird? I don't understand.
What bird? It's birds that fly.
No, I'm more than an angel.
You are more than an angel.
Yes. I always tell you that Jesus Christ is. We are all working servants of God.
Right.
So angels are more than angel.
So Nana Tongo, we are wrapping up.
Okay.
And my viewers would love to see you fly away from set once again. So fly as many times as you can and let's see how you get off set as you fly away.
Okay, I'm going.
And Nana Tongo has flown away on Vibes in 5.
So I will keep telling you, I'm not a small spirit.
You are not a small spirit, Nana Tongo.
Yeah.
I see. So when you are flying in the sky and a hunter mistakes you for a bird, they can shoot you down.
No. Someone that is giving people gun medicine, then who can shoot me? If you are seeing me physically, then you cannot shoot me. How much more me flying in the spirit? You cannot get me. I can even walk on these light wires.
You can walk on
them.
Electric wires.
Yes.
No, but
I'm not afraid of anything.
Physically or spiritually?
Spiritually.
Spiritually, you can walk on electric cables.
The cables.
But that's dangerous. Yeah. You can be electrocuted.
No. I'm more than bulletproof.
You are more than bulletproof.
Nothing.
So apart from the northern region, where else do you fly to?
Oh, I can fly outside. I can fly. But I told you I used to travel. Sometimes it's not all the travel that I use plane.
Yeah.
Most of the time I go in spirit. It depends on what I have to go and do.
So do you go and deliver medicine?
I deliver medicine and
Like a drone?
and sometimes I mail.
You mail?
Sometimes I mail the medicine. Because when you call me and I have to see your problem before I can solve your
you can
problem.
solve the problem.
So when you call me or you send me your picture, or if you don't want to send me your picture, you can you can snap only your palm and send me. I will check the problem first before I know what to
before
give.
you know what to give the person.
Yes, please.
And so sometimes when you are flying, you go with the medicine.
Yes, I
to
can
go and
go.
give to
It
the
depends
person.
on how I'm going. Like America, the last time I went to America like this, more than 10 hours.
More than 10
But when I'm
hours.
flying, I can. It depends on the action.
Right.
Maybe they need me in prime. Maybe somebody is dying. Then you need to go and sit in the plane, Emirates or whatever. To go. No. I have to go quickly to go and solve that problem. So that's the journey I used to go by spirit.
That's the journey you go with spirit.
Spirit.
With that one, you go faster.
Faster, seconds.
Seconds.
Right now I went to nothing. Return back.
How many minutes or how many seconds did it take?
It doesn't even take me 30 minutes to get to America.
It doesn't take you 30 minutes to get to America.
No.
And when it's the north, how many minutes does it take you?
Just a second.
Just a second.
I mean, flying from Accra to
the
north
yeah.
is 45 minutes.
It's
45 minutes.
45
But
minutes.
I'm going to America by spirit with less than 30 minutes.
Less than 30 minutes. But if you are going to the north by spirit, it's how long?
Oh, it doesn't take me even 3 minutes.
It doesn't take you 3 minutes.
No.
But when you
most of the time when I'm going, I just don't go there because I'll always go there because of something. Maybe I need some herbs.
Yeah.
I need something
Quick.
improved, fast,
Yeah.
quick. So I have to fly
and go.
and go.
So now you how many times have you gone to the north and come back? Now, as we are talking, how many times have you been?
3 times.
You've been to the north 3 times.
3 times.
In this our conversation.
This our conversation.
You've been to north and back 3 times.
Yes, please.
Did you go to pick leaves or what did you go to do?
I have a serious matter that I have to solve.
Did you solve it?
No, people are there. So because you came impromptu, that's why I'm out. But after here, I'm going.
So after here, are you flying back?
I'm not flying back. I have to settle I have to check on the persons.
The persons before you go.
Yes, please.
So your wing, do you remove it?
Yes, I remove it. I only wear it when it's critical.
When it's critical.
Yeah. I only wear when it's critical.
So these times are critical. That's
Yes,
why you have it.
we hot. I needed to show the people that there are powers. There are powers.
And do you think you've shown them enough powers, or you will fly again for them to see?
No. I'm not going to fly.
You're not going to fly again. So have you shown the people enough of your powers?
Yes, that there are something. I don't do magic.
You don't do magic.
Those who are here doing this. No. I don't do that. I do physical things.
So when you did this and I was still seeing you, was it you I was seeing or I was seeing something else?
You are seeing something else, not me.
Not you.
Yes, you are seeing something else.
Gee. And what was that I was seeing?
You are just seeing statues, just like somebody died. You see the person lying down, but he's gone.
Was that why you froze it? So like you froze?
Yeah. Somebody died. You see the corpse lying,
but the spirit is gone.
Is gone.
So that's what you did.
Yes.
So the body was here.
Yeah.
But the spirit was gone.
Yes.
And what was that I was seeing?
You are just seeing statues, just like somebody died. You see the person lying down, but he's gone.
Was that why you froze it? So like you froze?
Yeah. Somebody died. You see the corpse lying,
but the spirit is gone. So that's what you did.
Yes.
So the body was here.
Yeah.
But the spirit was gone.
Yes.
Wow. Chalet, the kind of things you are showing us, Eddie, I don't know, but I'm beginning to be scared.
You have to be scared.
Yes, I'm beginning to be scared because
I like controversial people like you.
You like controversial, but now you people are proving to me that you are truly powerful.
Yes.
Because for you to be able to fly right here, and he froze. When he did this, his son froze for like 3
Shey una don watch am. No be small thing o. As I cross this one, I watch Octolize o. He say the wings of this fowl so na they use take dey fly o. No be small thing as he hold am like this. Say he don move. e don go to be that, oh my people. No be small thing, oh, e don gbase. As I cross this one, I was choctalize. I say, like, seriously, this thing dey happen. I never know whether this kind of a thing dey happen. E tell this our brother say e no fit see am, say e no dey see spiritual. I will say e dey see spiritual. He go know say e don fly, e don go Togo, come back. Our brother say, but you dey here with me. He say no, he don move, but he don come back again. My people, not be small thing. I'm speechless. I'm short of words. As I cross this one, I make like the middle. My people, now here now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao to everyone. Bye bye.